International Women's Day and for this great initiative. I'm going to start by talking about when I was 11 years old, and for the first time, Pakistan had a female Prime Minister, Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto. And I remember writing a letter to her and telling her that for an 11-year-old to see a woman as head of state was this incredible honor. And I never expected her office to write back. But Benazir Bhutto Sahiba's office did write back with a signature, and I'll never forget what it said. It said, a woman can be anything she puts her mind to be. And for an 11-year-old to know that and have a woman as head of state was so important. So for me today, looking at these women on their motorbikes is not just कि हम खवातीन को motorbikes दे रहे हैं और खुद मुख्तार बना रहे हैं, मगर if a woman sees something, she believes it, she can dream it, and she can become it. So when all of these women go on the roads of Karachi and of Sindh, other women who see these women on the motorbikes know that they too can be mobile, economically independent, and lead Pakistan into the future. So thank you for this initiative, Sharjeel Memon Saab, and to the Sindh government. And I hope that from 500, we have 500,000 scooties that are given one day. Thank you so much.